I'm Paul, this is Asbo 37 and I'm just going to see if it will start. I think I've got the timing roughly where it needs to be. We've got a buoyer on it, so I can't get it precise until I've got the engine running and can strobe it, but I'm hoping it will start. Let's see what happens. Got very little by way of any fuel entering the carburettor. Just starting to fill now. I can hear the float rattling. We've got a virtually dead battery, so I've got the charger connected to it. We're running a true 9:1 compression ratio on this thing with a retarded inlet cam. I've ported the cylinder head and lightened the flywheel assembly by 1 kilogram. Right, let's see what, if anything, happens here. Lot of compression. I think the timing is a bit retarded on it. Let's see if I can just give it a nudge while we're filming. I need a screwdriver and a small spanner. Let's see if I can get it. I'll advance it a little. Move it this way. Probably about there might get us started up. Either that or I'll get a huge bollock to my ankle now. Let's see. See if that does it. That'll be a starting point that's near enough to get the strobe on it. I can tell it's still running quite retarded there, so the ignition timing needs sorting. But that was the first attempt, genuine out of the box first attempt at starting, so I'm happy with that. For those who want to know, I've got at the moment a 260 main jet in it. That was the closest I had to the 240 I want, and a 107 needle jet. 3.5 cutaway on a slide, which was there before, and we got a 930 concentric on it. I've opened up the inlet to be capable of taking anything up to 34, should it be required, but I think it'll go quite well as it is, to be honest. And we've got the standard camshafts in it with the inlet retarded one tooth. I'm going to fine tune the ignition timing and check a few things, and maybe we won't be too far off getting a shot up and down the road on it and see how it goes. Watch this space, but I'm very happy with that. That's a good step in the right direction.